We're back, guys. So we finally got a new exhaust for the car. As I told you guys in the last videos, that this exhaust is just way too loud. The Tomei titanium exhaust with no cat test pipe. It's got way too much drone. It's way too loud. So we got in touch with Quick Camaro. I'll put a link in the bio down here. And he got me a great deal on an HKS Silent, what is it? Hi-Power Silent. So let's go put that on the car. Once again, Dino at Quick Camaro got me that deal. So if you guys need any parts, let it be, I don't know, anything. It could be fucking Camaro, JZX, BMW, any kind of part, anything you need. Get in touch with Dino, let him know I sent you, and he'll get you the best deal he can get. So without further ado, let's pull this thing in. Let's get it on the lift, and let's get this fucking exhaust on, because it is so good to be able to have it much quieter. Hopefully, we're crossing our fingers we didn't just waste money and it's pretty much the same, but I'm very confident that it's gonna be nice and quiet and not the same loudness that it was before. So let's pull it in the shop and let's get started. Alright, so first thing, as we installed it, I mean, it's literally just these two bolts, a couple hangers, and it comes right off. So let's just work on getting it off real quick, and we'll be back to you guys with the new exhaust. Alright, so we got the whole exhaust off, so now we just gotta get the new stuff and just start literally piecing it together. So let's get the first front pipe. So we got front pipe, comes with all the hardware you need. Might keep these bolts that it came with, actually. And we have the correct gasket now, because the gasket before was way too big and we had a little exhaust leak. So now we should be good to go. So let's place this on. Get it bolted. Alrighty. I'm actually gonna put this back in. I had this piece, but was a little nervous about putting it in for the exhaust with titanium, but this time I think I should be able to put it in really quick. So let's just get one bolt out. Alright, I didn't feel the need to keep recording, so I just finished butting up the exhaust, so now it's fully installed. So now let's hear the first startup. Super easy to install though. Obviously HKS, so the fitment is perfect all the way around. Doesn't hit anywhere. And we installed the brace again, so that's back in. Nice and sturdy. So let's lower it and let's hear it. All right, let's hear the first start. So much quieter. Wow. So much quieter. Yeah, super quiet. Oh, this is what I like. This is perfect. This is perfect. Oh yeah. I'm hyped. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh. Wow. All right, let's pull it out of the shop now. impressions. So I've already been driving it around from work now, and we're just on the highway right now. Instantly, as you can tell, I can talk to you guys in the car. Like, I feel like right now, you can't really hear it. I do think I have a boost leak, so I think we're gonna tomorrow double check on that, see where that boost leak's coming from, because I definitely hear something. It sounds like a so I'm pretty sure we got a boost leak somewhere. It's probably so small that the math doesn't pick it up and it doesn't like do anything weird, but definitely probably have a boost leak there. Exhaust sounds awesome. So like street driving, like anything under like highway speeds, you can still hear the exhaust and it sounds phenomenal. At the highway, I mean, the noise kind of blends in with road noise, which is awesome, ideal. Like that's ideally what I want. I'd much rather be on the highway and you don't really hear anything rather than you're friggin' driving and all you hear is ah or something along those lines. Because that Tomei, that titanium on the highway was fucking brutal. It was brutal. Like you literally couldn't hear anything, and I had to have headphones in the entire time. Like right now, you can have no radio in and just hang out, not worry about a goddamn thing because it's so quiet. Boost is the same too. I was wondering if it would lose some PSI because of the exhaust, and no, perfect. We got the same amount, 14 pounds, right under 14. It's like 0.9 bar, which is what it was before. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get some more driving into it. I'm gonna try to get a comparison. I don't know how many videos I have of the Tomei, but I'll try to get sound clips of this exhaust because sound clips are always good. Everybody loves a nice sound clip. We are catless, so thankfully I didn't go catted and its exhaust. I feel like that'd be way too quiet. Like right now, I think it's the perfect balance for me, for street driving and all. It's just super quiet on the highway. You still hear good 1J noises around street noise, but wind noise isn't that high, and you hear that. You kind of heard it. It sounds like fucking, it sounds like a whale talking, but that's it for this video. Just a quick install of the HKS, what is it? HKS Hi-Power Silent. It sounds awesome. I'm very happy I went with this instead of the 409. I think it is, yeah, Hi-Power 409. Super happy, super quiet. I want it to be quiet. I mean, it's pretty stock. Like, it's a stock 1J car. There's no need to go crazy. And if I just want to chop that center section off and just keep the silent muffler, you can always do that when I eventually do plans with this down the line. But for right now, I think it's a perfect combo of what I want, how I want it to sound, and I'm super happy. It's gonna make me enjoy the car a lot more because this car is awesome to drive, but it's just way too loud for me. It's like ear piercing sometimes, the window down along like a banking, like with the wall right here. It's ear piercing, and I'm not about that. I'm older now. I'm not a 18-year-old kid anymore, so definitely old man choice like me. So thanks for watching, you guys. There should be a comparison in here if it's not already posted about the JZX, about the Tomei Titanium versus this startup, and like a quick little revs. So hope you guys like that. Super awesome. I'll try to get some more driving videos with it, and we got some more parts coming for this thing, so stay tuned. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Have fun.